In this video, I will tell you about the difference between sound A and A. This A has a long sound. For example, fan, cap, tap, and hat. And this A has a short sound. For example, bell, web, and red. Now you can tell me which A comes in the middle of this word. Is it long sound A, mu, a, p, map, or is it short sound A, m, a, p, map? A. Yes, a long sound A, m, a, p, map. Now this is the word wet. So tell me which A comes in the middle of this word? Is it w, a, t, wet? Or it is w, a, t, wet? A. Yes, a short sound A, w, a, t, wet.